Next, exercise 1.3, first question, which is greater? The first question is 72 divided 9 into 8 minus 64, or 9 divided by 3 into 12 minus 6. The solution, split the pages into two. 72 divided 9 into 8 minus 64. Here 9 divided by 3 into 12 minus 6. The first, using the simplification, using the DeMoss method. DeMoss means first periodicity goes to division. 72 divided 9. The first periodicity is division. 72 divided by 9 is 8. 8 into 8 minus 64. And this side, right hand side, 9. Here also the first periodicity goes to division. 9 divided by 3 is 3 into 12 minus 6. Next step. Next, here having two operations. One is multiplication, another one is subtractions. The first periodicity goes to multiplication. 8 into 8, 64 minus 64. Here also having two operations. One is multiplication, another one is subtractions. The first periodicity goes to multiplication. 3 into 12 is 36 minus 6. Here 64 minus 64, answer is 0. Here 36 minus 6 is, answer is 30. Which is greater? 30 is the greater. 9 divided by 3 into 12 minus 6 is greater expression. Next, homework, exercise 1.3, first question, which is greater? The first question is minus 4 into minus 22 into 4 into minus 3, or minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 2. The second question, 7 plus 6 into minus 4, or minus 8 plus minus 2 into minus 8 into minus 1. The third question, minus 49 divided 7, or minus 49 divided minus 7. This is the homework sums. Next, second question, using the BDMoss rule, find the values of. First question is minus 40 plus minus 1 minus of minus 2 the bar into 6 divided 3 minus 2 the bar. The solution is using the BODMaS. The first BODMaS, the rule is first priority goes to the bar value. First write the question, minus 40 plus minus 1 minus of minus 2 bar into 6 divided 3 minus 2 the bar. First solve the bar values. Minus 40 plus minus 1 minus of minus 2. The answer is 1. Minus into minus plus, here minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 2. The answer is positive 1 into 6 divided, here also another bar, 3 minus 2. 3 is positive, 2 is negative. The higher value is 3, so the value is positive. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, the next priority goes to here addition, multiplication and division. The first priority goes to division. Minus 40 plus 1 into 6 divided by 1 is 6. Next, then here two operation, one is addition, another one is multiplication. The next priority goes to multiplication. Minus 40 plus 1 into 6 is 6. Minus 40 plus 6. The next operation is addition. Minus 40 plus 6. The value is minus 34. Next homework sum. Second question. Using the BODMAS rule, find the values of first question 6 divided 3 minus 2 bar. Second question minus 15 plus set bracket 4 divided minus 1 minus 3 bar into 6. Third question 7 plus 4 minus of 3 minus of 1 plus 2 minus of 4 minus 9, close the all brackets. Fourth question 10 plus 4 minus of 3 minus of 1 plus 2 minus of 4 minus 9, close all the brackets. Fifth question 120 minus 12 of 3 minus 4 into minus 8, close the bracket. Next, third question, express the following in mathematical form, simplify and give your answer with the correct sign. Remember to use the BODMAS rule. First question 20 is divided by 6 subtracted from 16. Solution 20 is divided. 20 is divided by means the divisor value. The divisor value is 6 subtracted from 16. From 16 means 16 subtracted 6. This is the expression 20 divided of 16 minus 6. This is the correct expressions. Next you can simplify this expression using the BODMAS. Here division, here having division and brackets. The first priority goes to brackets. 20 divided, bracket value is 16 minus 6 is 10. The value is 10. Next one is 20 divided by 10 is, the value is 2. Homework sums. Third question. Express the following in mathematical form. Simplify and give your answer with the correct sign. Remember to use the BODMAS rule. The first question is 24 is added to. 24 is added to 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. You can form an expression. The difference of 8 and 4 multiplied by 20. Here difference means 8 minus 4. This is the difference. Subtraction is the difference. Third question. 4 is divided by the difference between 10 and 6. 4 is divided by the difference between 10 and 6. Difference means subtraction. Fourth question. 6 is added to negative 4, 24. Negative 24 means minus negative sign 24 divided by positive 4. Positive 4 means plus 4. This is the positive value. This is the negative value of 24. This is the positive value of 4. This is the homework sum.